Alright, I hope this is going to come out alright. Here we go. I'm going to send you several short videos. I'm not sure which one you are looking at, so because I don't have my notes with me, so just kind of hang with me if I've already covered some of this. Let's say I have a number line right here. And here we have a 0, here we have 1, and we have a 2. On this side we're going to have a -1 and a -2. And that, of course, just goes on forever. I just can't write that much. So this is like your middle spot, your neutral spot. Anytime you're sitting here at this like neutral spot, sometimes it's called the origin, you can either go this way to the right or this way to the left. If we're going to go to the right, we call that a plus, an addition. If we go to the left, we call it negative, which is minus. So these first few problems I'm going to give you are going to start from 0. Let's say we have 0 plus 1. Well, you know the answer to that. It's nothing plus 1. Well, it's 1. Well, let's look at this on the number line and see if we can figure it out. 0 is the place you're starting. Plus is the direction you're going to go. You're going to go this way. You're going to go to the right. Well, how far to the right are you going to go? You're going to go 1 unit to the right. So if you go 1 unit to the right and you stop, this is where you have stopped. You have stopped at 1. And in fact, 1 is the answer that you have. Let's try another one. All right, here's another one. Here's my number line. Here's a 0, here's a 1, here's a 2, here's a -1 and a -2 because this is in the negative direction. Let's try 0 minus 1. Before we did 0 plus 1, here's a 0 minus 1. Well, 0 is the place we're going to start. We're going to start right here. What direction are we going to go in? We're going to go in the minus direction. We're going to go in this direction. All right, how far are we going to go? We're going to go 1 unit, 1 amount. So I'm going to go this way, 1 amount, and where do I stop? I stop right here. Well, 0 minus 1, in fact, is a -1. If we were to turn this into money, going back here, if you had nothing and you worked a job and you got paid $1, you would have $1. However, if you went down to a store and you had nothing and you promised to pay them $1 for something you wanted to buy, you would now have a debt of -1. If the debt thing, the minus thing, is too hard, let's not deal with that right now. If it's easy, let me know and I will talk about this as money more often. However, it might be easier just think of this as a map. A minus sign means to go that way to the minus sign, and a plus sign means to go this way to the positive sign.